Hello dear students, welcome back to another video. Today we will study about sequence connectors. In previous class we studied about connectors, and in this class we will be studying about sequence connectors. Okay, let's see. Example I am giving. First, then, next, later, finally. So what is the use of sequence connectors? First of all, I told you about connectors. Connectors join two sentences without changing their meanings, right? I hope you understood. But in sequence connectors, as it is very clear with the spelling of sequence. What do you mean by sequence? Sequence मतलब एक series में something happening in a series, one after that, second, third, fourth, right? That we call sequence, order. Things are in order. Then we can say that things are in sequence. Okay. So when we say something in sequence, what happened first, after that what happened, we put another in another sentence after that, right? Then we use sequence connectors there. I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sequence connectors here. The first sequence connector is first, second one is then, third one is next, fourth one is later, and then finally we conclude, right? So come, let's use these all sequence connectors in our sentences. Okay. So first of all, we include this word into the sentence. Okay. First, I decided. First, I decided to make a video. Okay, I am trying to tell something in sequence. So my first sentence is, first I decided to make a video. Then we use the second sequence connectors, which is then. Then I took my phone and camera mount. Okay. First I decided to make a video, then I took my phone and camera mount. Next I okay. Next, I installed my phone on camera mount. Later, I recorded. A video. Okay. Later, I recorded a video. Finally, I uploaded it on YouTube. Finally, I uploaded it on YouTube. Okay. So the sentence is starting from here, right? So first later should be capital, obviously. Finally, right? Later. But keep in mind, when you are writing in a paragraph, if sentence not ends, don't put full stop, then these letters may be small. Okay, but here As the sentence is beginning from here, so we will write capital letters. Got it? So today we studied about sequence connectors, how many sequence connectors are there. When we say our story or whatever we try to say, first what happened, after that what happened, in the end what happened, right? Then we use these sequence connectors. Suppose I decided to make a video, then whatever things I did, and I recorded a video, I posted on YouTube. So how I will say? See, first I decided to make a video, then I took my phone and camera mount. Next, what I did, I installed my phone on the camera mount. Later matlab baad mein. Later I recorded a video. Finally what I did, I uploaded it on YouTube and you are watching here, right? So what I decided, to upload a video. This is the final thing. So before doing this final thing, you need to do this. Next, later, then, right? You start from there, and here, and middle is. Okay? So watch everything very carefully and note it down also. And if you don't understand once, please repeat the video and watch. Okay? So that's all for today. See you tomorrow in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day. Thank you.